day after election results defied exit polls and denied a clear majority to the incumbent BJP, its allies and now kingmakers JDU's Nitish Kumar and TDP's N. Chandrababu Naidu have reached Delhi for an NDA meeting this evening that will decide on the way forward. The BJP has won 240 Lok Sabha seats, 32 short of the majority mark. TDP and JDU together hold 28 seats, and along with BJP's other allies, NDA will be past the magic figure of 272. Both coalition-era veterans Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar are the most wanted men in Indian politics at this moment. As BJP did not cross the majority mark, it has opened up a window of opportunity to BJP's allies to bargain hard, and both the veterans are skilled in the art of bargaining and know how to make their support count. While JDU has hinted at what it may ask for, TDP has been tight-lipped. Senior JDU leader KC Tyagi said the party will consider joining the government if an invitation is extended.
JDU जन्म काल से ही एनडीए के मंत्रिमंडल में शामिल रही है। महत्वपूर्ण पद हम लोगों ने संभाले हैं। जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस, शरद यादव, रामविलास पासवान, नीतीश कुमार सब महत्वपूर्ण पदों पर रहे हैं। कोई निमंत्रण मिलेगा, हम मंत्रिपरिषद में शामिल होंगे।
KC Tyagi also said, and I quote, "We expect the new government to consider giving special category status to Bihar and conduct a nationwide caste census."
हमें उम्मीद है कि जिस तरह का समर्थन एनडीए की सरकार बनाने में बिहार का है, वो बिहार की जनता को ये सौगात देंगे ताकि वहाँ बेरोजगारी की समस्या खत्म हो, गरीबी की समस्या खत्म हो।
KC Tyagi, however, clarified that these are not conditions for JDU's support to the NDA.
देखिए, हमारा कोई शर्त सरकार को समर्थन देने की नहीं।
Interestingly, caste census has been one of the key issues raised by the India opposition bloc in the run-up to this election. Ahead of Nitish Kumar's latest flip-flop, his coalition government with RJD and Congress had also conducted a caste survey in Bihar. KC Tyagi also said, and I quote, "Narendra Modi has never opposed a nationwide caste census. Time demands it."
राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर कास्ट सेंसस की भी एक मांग आपकी पार्टी की रही है।
इसका भी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कभी विरोध नहीं किया है, इसलिए हम आशान्वित हैं। और जिस तरह का सोशल अपराइजिंग पूरे देश में हुई है इस चुनाव में, ख़ास तौर से जो वीकर सेक्शन के लोग हैं, उन्होंने जिस तरह से एकजुटता दिखाई है, समय की मांग है कि जातिगत जनगणना हो।
As for Mr. Naidu, there is little clarity on what he may demand from the BJP. TDP sources suggest that the party may ask for plum ministries at the center. A preferential status for Andhra Pradesh is also another key issue that may come up in the negotiations. In fact, it was a dispute over special status demand that had prompted Mr. Naidu to part ways with the BJP in 2016. For the TDP chief, who has returned to power in Andhra Pradesh without a thumping win, the task is cut out. The massive mandate for his party has come on a promise to rebuild the state and to develop a capital city. For now, both TDP and JDU stress that they are firmly with the NDA. But when the two kingmakers are Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, no possibility can be ruled out. This is Samrat Dasgupta for NDTV.